Today in this review, I will be reviewing two of the best legal services out there, LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer. I will first give a brief overview for both companies, and then I'll dive into the head-to-head comparison of these two legal services in terms of price, features, ease of use, and customer service. After that, I'll go through its pros and cons, and finally give my final verdict. LegalZoom is an online technology company that helps new business owners to officially create their company by providing them different business formation services. Since 2001, they have been able to help more than 3.8 million entrepreneurs, making them one of the most popular incorporated service providers up to date. On the other hand, Rocket Lawyer was founded in 2008. Same as LegalZoom, they also provide customers with legal services without actually hiring a lawyer, which actually tends to be more expensive. Since the year it started operating, they have been able to provide services for over 20 million times. If you're looking for an online legal service, you'll most likely want to know about how a particular service measures up in terms of price, features, ease of use, and customer service. First, click on the link in the description or type this into your browser. It will take you to my special discount page where you will get the best deal currently on offer. Let's see first who offers better monetary value. LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer have their own unique set of promos and packages, but unlike most of the competitors in the industry of legal service providers, Rocket Lawyer does not offer packages or any set of plans. Basically, they only have two options in which you can choose from. It's either you will choose to apply as a new member by subscribing to their subscription plan that requires $39.99 per month, or you will avail their services and legal documents as a non-member, which is quite more expensive. Upon joining as a new member, you will get unlimited legal documents for free, wherein it will cost $39.99 per document if you will avail these documents as non-member. See how much you'll save? Moreover, services of an attorney will be free as well, including document defense on Rocket Lawyer documents, unlimited legal questions for their lawyers, 30-minute consultation to an attorney on every new legal matter, and a 40% discount upon hiring an attorney on call. For non-members, document defense will cost them $9.99 per document, $49.99 for every legal question, and $59.99 per consultation. Furthermore, for your business formation, incorporation filing is free, excluding state filing fees for new members and 20% off subsequently. Additionally, a registered agent will only cost $122.50 a year, which is 20% less compared to its price for non-members. If you want to get the best and most of the features offered by Rocket Lawyer, it is advisable to join as a member than to avail these documents and services one by one. This will significantly save you a lot of money. Now, going into LegalZoom, just like any other service providers out there, their LLC service formation service comes in three packages, namely Economy, Standard, and Express Gold. For their Economy package, it costs around $79 plus state fees, which usually takes about 30 business days before the process is complete. In this package, features and services are included such as the filing and preparation of LLC paperwork, as well as the articles of organization. It will also provide you with name availability search, LLC Next Steps Guide, Peace of Mind Review, unlimited customer support service, and a financial account authorization letter. Next is their middle plan, which is called the Standard Package. It costs $329 excluding state filing fees with a processing time of at most 15 business days. This package includes all the features that were mentioned in the previous plan with additional services like Deluxe Organizer, official certificates and seal, and LegalZoom VIP processing. The last and also the most expensive package that LegalZoom has is called the Express Gold. It costs $399 plus state fees, and it's just $20 more expensive than the standard one. But aside from all the features mentioned in the previous plans, it also includes services like rush processing with the Secretary of State and express shipping. However, you will need to pay more just so you can get some of the services that are required in forming an LLC, like an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, and an operating agreement. Given that they don't have the same way of offering their services to their customers, we can only compare their pricing as a whole and not by package. Therefore, when talking about the value of bundles of services you can get from both of them, we can conclude that Rocket Lawyer has an edge when it comes to pricing compared to LegalZoom. In addition to that, they also give a 7-day free trial, giving Rocket Lawyer its first win. If you're focusing more on features, let's see who has a wider spectrum. In the first part of this comparison, I will give you an idea of what it's like to avail yourself of an LLC formation service from Rocket Lawyer. Rocket Lawyer's LLC formation service costs $99.99 for non-members. It included services like name availability search, which is necessary to know if your desired name for your business has already been taken by another entity or not. To confirm it, they will be searching through your formation state's database. They will also prepare and file your articles of organization with your state, a requirement when forming a new LLC. Aside from that, they will provide an online document storage wherein you can access any copy of your document using their platform online. But they will also send you a hard copy of it through your mail. Furthermore, to guide you through your journey, Rocket Lawyer has phone and email support so you can contact them in case you need their assistance or if ever you have a complaint. Given that they don't have any packages, you will encounter a series of add-ons and promotional offers, which they will ask you if you want to opt in. This includes obtaining your employer identification number, which works as a social security number for your business, although you can obtain it by yourself with your IRS. It usually takes longer. Rush filing speed, and a registered agent. A registered agent helps the business owner by receiving any documents on behalf of your company, then sending them back to you. This is to ensure that you won't miss a single delivery or important email. It also helps in securing your privacy and acts as a reminder whenever you have upcoming deadlines. Subscribing for Rocket Lawyer's subscription plan to be a new member is actually convenient, especially if you're just not looking for an LLC formation service, but also for ongoing legal services in the long run. As a member, you will receive these features such as unlimited free legal document defense attorney review on all documents, ask a lawyer your legal questions, 30-minute attorney consultation for each new legal matter, up to 40% off attorney fees, free LLC or corporation formation for new members, and 25% off for the existing ones, and they also offer a registered agent with a discount of 25%. Moreover, Rocket Lawyer will give you a 7-day trial before charging you. Meanwhile, on LegalZoom, at $79 plus state fee, besides getting name availability search, lifetime customer support, and filing and preparation of articles of organizations just like in Rocket Lawyer's non-member promo, you will also get LLC Next Steps Guide, Peace of Mind Review, and a banking resolution. Comparing the Standard and Express Gold package to Rocket Lawyer's membership features, they both have unique features like Deluxe Organizer, Official Certificates and Seal, VIP processing, expedited processing with Secretary of State, express shipping, and many more. However, it doesn't also include any services that can be found in Rocket Lawyers. It only means that both of them have a wide coverage of features and services that are unique to the both of them. If you just want to look for an LLC formation service alone, then go for LegalZoom. But if you're also looking for ongoing legal services, subscribe to Rocket Lawyer's member plan. Nevertheless, if we are still to consider the price that comes with these features, I'll go for Rocket Lawyer because even though LegalZoom is bombarded with lots of services, Rocket Lawyer still offers greater value. Second win for Rocket Lawyer. Here's a quick question for you. What is your business that you're looking to form an LLC for? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's look at whose platform has more edge when it comes to being user-friendly. Generally speaking, Rocket Lawyer is very intuitive for beginners because it is very easy to use. It is a great choice for those new business owners who are just starting out and have a plan of making their own business. Through the process of your business formation, they will give you easy to understand instructions and guidance. They also aim to give their customers enough knowledge and understanding of every legal process that they will encounter in order for them to know its usage and why it is important. However, even though Rocket Lawyer will provide you with unrestricted access to the legal sample library, LegalZoom is up for a tight competition because of its more modern designed website that makes it easier to navigate. With LegalZoom's aim to provide their customers with smooth and fast experience prior to their business formation journey, they will help you by implementing a heavily guided approach. For some, this is too much for one document, especially for those who aren't new to these legal processes. But that is actually very helpful to those who are new to these kind of things. And if you happen to be not able to finalize and finish your order, you can continue it later because they will save what you have accomplished so far and then send you the link through your email. Overall, we can say that LegalZoom has the advantage when it comes to ease of use. 1 point for LegalZoom. Let's now look at how they handle customer support. You can contact both LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer through live chat, phone call, and email. The former, being in the industry for so long, have thousands of reviews on different websites online, which is actually a good thing. However, these reviews in total are evenly split up between positive and negative feedback. Some say that their representative responded quickly while also providing accurate and helpful answers. Some also complain about the inconsistency of their support system and that their customer support didn't provide helpful answers at all. In Trustpilot.com, they got an average of 4.1 out of 5 stars consisting of 757 reviews in total. Some of the feedback complained about poor customer service. Some of them even stated that LegalZoom is a sloppy company. But there are also some good reviews commending them by providing representatives and agents that are said to be great listeners. It is a fact that LegalZoom is indeed a big company, so they might be bombarded with a lot of inquiries, making it harder for them to respond very quickly to every customer. Nonetheless, this might decrease your level of trust in LegalZoom, which is totally valid. Moreover, they are just not available on weekdays from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, but they are also available on weekends from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Meanwhile, compared to LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer can only be contacted on Monday to Friday starting from 9 in the morning to 9 in the evening. but they are said to have an outstanding performance when it comes to customer support service, especially for those members who subscribe to their monthly subscription plan. Members have access to their live chat, which is very convenient to use if you need a quick response for your questions regarding your filling out process, phone support, email support, and many more. Nevertheless, if you're not a member, you can still send them questions and inform them with your complaints and receive feedback from within 1 business day. On Trustpilot.com, they got an average of 4.6 stars over 5, consisting of 3,390 reviews. This only means that they perform really well, and rest assured that they will provide you with excellent customer service, ensuring that what you have paid for is worth it. In general, Rocket Lawyer still outplays LegalZoom in this category, thus claiming its 3rd win. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hit that subscribe button for more high-quality content that I will be releasing every week. Now let's look at both Zen Business and Rocket Lawyer's strengths and weaknesses. Let's talk about LegalZoom first. Pros: whether you will commit to them or not, name availability search is accessible for everyone for free. If it happens that you are not satisfied with their services and performance, they will let you have a full refund within 60 days prior to purchase of the package. This is lit compared to most of the companies who only offer 30 days. Their customer support service is available even on weekends from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Cons: their offers and packages are way more expensive compared to a lot of incorporated service providers on the internet. Their cheapest package for an LLC formation isn't even cheap at all, and it doesn't also include advanced features. You will be bombarded with never-ending upsells and promotional offers. This is because some features that are necessary for your LLC formation, like EIN and a registered agent, are not included in most of their packages. This for sure will significantly increase your bill at the end. Now let's go to Rocket Lawyer. Pros: upon subscribing to their monthly plan, you will get most of the features and services that they have. They will also give you a 7-day free trial. They have helped more customers than LegalZoom despite their age. This only means that most of the customers are pleased with the services that they are providing, so rest assured that you're in good hands. They have an average to high rating of customer feedback from third-party websites like Trustpilot. This will increase the level of trust of their future customers. Cons: it can get a little bit pricey, especially for those who only need an LLC formation service and not legal services for the long run. Compared to other service providers out there like Zen Business and InkFile, their pricing for non-members is quite more expensive. Final verdict: Rocket Lawyer wins. After performing intensive research and reading regarding LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer's offers and services, I can say that if you're just looking for an LLC formation service alone, LegalZoom is a great choice for you. But generally speaking, considering the other factors like pricing, features, and customer service, I will go for Rocket Lawyer. Not only is it cheaper than LegalZoom, but it also provides straightforward and simple yet high-quality services. Thus, for this comparison review, Rocket Lawyer wins the match with 3 category victories, leaving only the ease of use title for LegalZoom to brag about. If you want more details on LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer, then I recommend you check out these next 2 videos here, where I conduct an in-depth review and tutorial on these 2 companies to see if they are right for you. So check them out, and I'll see you in that next video.